they're not thinking about it being an exercise or really even therapy. They're focused more on a different goal, whereas the therapist in me is focused on their rehab goals and how we're gonna get them back home and stronger, but they get to do it and have fun.
Well, we're working on strength and coordination, the mind. It keeps us all, motivated and going.
And it's actually wonderful because it's computer games. And that's something that's, of the new age. It's a new way of them to learn and to relate to their roommates that play and also family members and younger people.
It's just really cool to experience that introduction to them. It's been very beneficial to them for, their balance, their range of motion.
Just seeing them glow, actually, from playing the games and being so happy. It makes me happy to see them so happy.
It's just different, it's innovative, and so I think they really can benefit from that.